Hi friends, today I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. It is very useful to visualize your data quickly. Let's see how to use it. Here you can see I have entered some students' names with their grades of a particular test. So this is all their grades. If I want to see who performed below 80%, how can I? Just select this column, go to the conditional formatting. This option is available in Home tab. Just click on it. You can see multiple options are here. First we have to see highlight cell rules. Again there are more options, greater than, less than, between, equal to, but we have to select this less than, and I want the students who perform below 80. I just type 80. You can highlight with different options available here: red light fill, green fill, yellow fill, and just click on OK. So you can see it highlighted the students grades marks which are below 80%. Let's see the next option. If I have a restaurant, suppose I have a restaurant and these are the people reviews submitted on these particular dates. If I want to highlight these dates, just select this column, go to conditional formatting, and I have to select this option, a date occurring. So I want to see the reviews from last week, so I can select in the last 7 days. Just click on OK. So this is the conditional formatting. Here you can see the students' names are there. If I want to highlight the duplicate values, just select this column, go to conditional formatting. Here I have to select this option, duplicate values. There are two options, duplicate and unique. Unique is just opposite. It will highlight the cells which is unique or which is occurred in once. Just click on OK. So you can see all the duplicate names are highlighted. Let's see again how can we do with more conditional formatting. Select this column again, go to the conditional formatting. Here option is available, top bottom rules. When I click on these top 10 items, basically it will highlight all the top 10 values from this column. Just undo that. Similarly, if I click on bottom 10, it will highlight bottom 10 values. Next is this. You can also perform above average and below average, and you can see the students which are performed the grades below average, above average, etc. Conditional formatting helps us to very quickly visualize the data. Again I selected this column, go to conditional formatting. Here we can see the option is data bars. When I click on it, it will basically highlight or fill the cells according to their values. You can also try this option, color scales. When I selected this option, you can see the highest value, which is 98, is colored with bright green and the lowest value is colored with the red. One more option is there, which is icon sets. Multiple interesting icons are available here. You can select any of them if you want to add in your Excel sheet. Another option is there, this new rules. It gives you more power to apply your own rules. You can define actually what are you looking for and format in your own way. You can lowest value, type lowest value, highest value, and you can define the different formats, styles, colors, and you can also define a conditions here. So now we have done with conditional formatting. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask me in comment section, and if you have any other topics you want to learn, then tell me and drop a comment. Thanks a lot everyone, and see you next time.